Top-notch ATVs are very expensive toys that can be a ton of fun, but for the cost involved, it's usually a rare opportunity. We rented some and did some self-guided trails for a bachelor party on a trip to Arizona, and for a 4-hour trip, they cost almost $450, which we split into a group of 3. The catch is, any damage that occurs is your responsibility, and we found out that can happen pretty easily and tack on another few $100s. And I can't forget a full tank of gas when we were done. There are quite a few companies you can choose from in the Scottsdale area with awesome trails designed just for riding nearby. We drove in the trail system in Cave Creek. The ATVs ride as smooth as snowmobiles over extremely uneven but beautiful desert terrain, and I would love to do it again, but riding as a passenger is some of the worst car sickness I've ever felt. Be sure to bring your own eye protection and some kind of face mask for the dirt. We used PJ's UTV rental, and overall we had a good experience despite coming back with a couple bent bars. Reach out to me for any questions or details of activities to do while you're in the area.